In order to make chicken Parmesan, you're going to make a tomato sauce very similar to that of your spaghetti bolognese we made earlier this week. Blanch your tomatoes, you're going to peel them, you're going to remove their seeds. You're going to stick some onions in a saucepan. You're going to fry your onions with 2 teaspoons of garlic. Then you're going to add your tomatoes. After that, you're going to crumb your chicken breasts. Okay, that involves beating them out with a hammer, dunking them in flour, dunking them in egg whites, and then dunking them in broken up cornflakes or cornflake crumbs. Once your chicken breasts are crumbed, you're gonna give them a fry in a nice shallow pan with shallow oil till they're nice and golden brown. After you're done with that, you're gonna take your sauce, you're gonna put it in a large baking dish, you're gonna stick your chicken in that sauce, you're going to cover your chicken in Parmesan cheese. Then you're going to stick it in the oven until the Parmesan is nicely crusted. And always don't forget a little touch of marijuana, as we always do.